Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can easily fix this problem. So here you can see it, you can't use this feature right now. So how you can fix this error when you see it on your Facebook? So first thing you can also just try if you see this error when you use your Facebook from app, just try to open it from website. And if you receive this error when you're using Facebook from website, just try to use it in app and try to open your account from app. And mostly you just need to wait some time because Facebook just suspend this option for you for some time, so you just need to wait until Facebook will unlock this feature for you. It can be caused by too much same actions from your account. And also you can try to fix it in this way. So just go to the settings, and in the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. And if you use mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on Wi-Fi. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.